Initiating simulation 018. The eternal winter. 12,000 years ago, the Earth started to warm up. But in this timeline, the thaw never comes. The megafauna never go extinct. We don't ride horses. We ride armored woolly mammoths into battle. Because so much water is trapped in ice, the sea levels drop 400 feet. You can walk from London to Paris. You can walk from Russia to America. Civilization doesn't build up, it digs down. We build massive geothermal cities inside volcanic craters to harvest the Earth's heat. Agriculture is impossible on the surface. We grow fungus and moss in massive underground bunkers. The surface is for hunting only. Evolution changes us. We don't look like you. We are shorter, stockier, and covered in thick hair to survive the -50-degree nights. Technology focuses purely on heat. We master steam power 2,000 years early. The Industrial Revolution is fueled by desperation. New York is under a mile of ice. The equator is the only habitable zone. The tropics are the new superpowers. Stay warm. End log.